How to buy Globe Wallet online. Latest update 2023. First, press Google. Type "buy Globe Wallet online" and tap search. Scroll up and tap Globe Telecom Buy Load. Type your Globe retailer number. Then choose your desired amount. I chose 500. Hit Next. I chose Gcash. Then hit Pay. My Gcash number and hit Next. You will receive a code. Type the 6-digit code. And next your MPIN. Then agree. Tap Pay. And proceed. Your Globe Wallet tariffs. Let's rate them a very happy face. Here's your confirmation. Thank you for watching.